Welcome to DIY Eliquid recipes and to a new recipe video. Today I have something special to show you. So this is custard cream biscuit, the Eliquid recipe. I believe there are many people looking for a nice and simple custard cream recipe, and with the vanilla custards taking all the spotlight in the DIY community, I thought it would be nice to find a simple custard biscuit recipe instead and optimize it as much as possible. My idea of a custard cream biscuit is something that has a very clean tasting crust and a neutral custard filling that it complements the biscuit flavor without adding any flavor on its own. Also, a classic custard cream has a hint of coconut, which I didn't include directly, but there will still be some in this recipe. So before going deeper, here are the ratios and concentrates. The backbone and the flavor that gave me the original idea for creating this recipe is the Biscuit Silverline biscuit. This is a very neutral and rather sweet tasting biscuit flavor that could be used at low ratios as an accent and all the way up to even 10% as a solo flavor. As I mentioned earlier, it would also has a hint of coconut, which will work great here for us. This flavor will be hard to substitute in this recipe, but I guess not impossible. There is also some Acetyl Pyrazine there to give a small neutral boost to the crust. Next, we have a combo of 3 flavored creams, creating a very light cream trinity for this recipe. All these are flavors I have used many times before in different recipes, and I believe many of you are also familiar with them. The vanilla Tahity here is necessary, but the marshmallow and meringue could be substituted with the TFA alternatives. For steeping, this recipe will need around 1 week for the full flavor effect to take place. There is a variety of different flavors of different viscosities included here, and a longer steeping will highly benefit this e-liquid. Now as for the flavor, I find this hits all my main original points. It's a neutral tasting biscuit paired with a sweet cream with no other aftertastes other than the vanilla and coconut. This is a sweet enough e-liquid as is, and that's why there's no sweetener included, but you can try and see for yourself, and if anything you can add some sweetener while it's steeping. Now I hope that you can make this recipe too, and if you ever do, let me know how you find it. Also, if you have ever looked into custard cream biscuit recipes before and have a nice one to share, as always leave it in the comments together with any other thoughts about the topic. Glad to see you here today, and I will see you again next time.